Hey, what's up? Okay, I don't know how to start these things, so I'm gonna just start it right now. So basically what I'm doing is reorganizing my room so that when I actually get everything, stuff that I want, it's gonna be ready. So right now I'm gonna show you a little bit what I'm doing. So this is like my extra like face stuff, powders, all that. That's what I'm putting in here. I gotta clean this out. It has a lot of brushes, some lips. I'm watching Alyssa Ashley. I'm really just listening. I'm not watching. But excuse my mess, but I have all this stuff that I have to put up, excluding that because that's just extra bags and hair stuff. I have all of this to put up or throw away. Have this area over here with my wig. This is gonna be for like brushes, maybe. This will be like lipsticks and then other extra stuff. And this one's already full with all of my eyeshadows, like and eyebrow stuff. And it's mainly eyeshadows. It's really heavy. And the bottom one is gonna be what I'm doing. This is what I'm working with though. Some of it won't even make it because some of it I have to keep out because I use constantly. But really how it's going. I want to like record me cleaning it, but I'm gonna just do like processes of it or whatever. I got this little bin thing at Target. It was like $20 maybe. I don't know. We'll see. But I will check back in later. Oh, I just did all in my nose. I'll scratch it, I promise. The desk is gone. So there. This is where all my makeup is being held. Like all of it. Excuse this, I'm gonna get ready to close. It's dark, but that's okay. Okay, so this is gonna be my temporary makeup spot for now. So on my lipsticks, mainly go some of my decorative brushes that I'm gonna redo. A lot of earrings. It's really dark. Okay, a lot of earrings, beauty blender, earrings, press glitter, you know. Let's go into the first drawer. Is all of the stuff that I mainly use on every day. And it goes deeper than that. I'm just nervous it's gonna fall. That's everything. Got my Fenty, eyebrow gel, lash glue, foundation, concealer, lipsticks, highlighters, eyeshadow. The second one, and this is where all my brushes are gonna go, lashes. So I have some, and then I have the cleaner brushes. Trust me, I have a lot more. It's gonna be full. And then this one is all the extra stuff. So I got wipes in here. I got my face stuff. I got a lot of. This is basically everything I use on other people, not myself. Some extra stuff in there that I use too, but for the most part, I don't even use it. And then, like I said, the bottom one is my eyeshadow that I don't feel like opening. So update on that. Got some hangers, clothes I'm getting rid of. Yeah, I don't know what to do today. We'll figure it out.
Embolization, a minimally invasive in-office procedure that provides relief from fibroid symptoms. When you choose UFE at CDI, you keep your uterus and get back to living faster. There is no hospital stay, and your home recovery that same day. Learn more at UFEforme.com.
Hey you, with a rhinestone dog collar, the twins dogs, I just convinced the humans upgrade to a new home with a 1,200 square foot.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. This.
Something special about you. Really like you. 'Cause not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, baby, baby. It's getting kind of crazy. 'Cause you are taking over my mind. And it feels like but you don't know my name. I swear. Baby, baby, baby. Smile.
your face out.
Got me feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like
My face hurts now.
All of my affection, and you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, 'cause my loving feels like ooh, you don't know my name, and I swear it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. Oh, did you ever know? No, 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 no.
On the road again. It is 111. Can you even see it? It's 111 degrees outside. Do you see the sun? I can't because I'm blind. You see that pizza? I'm about to go ham. Should I do a mukbang? A mukbang, mukbang, mukbang. Look at that. It's so good. Look at that. Oh my god. As you can see, I started eating.
Okay, so when the state comes back and gives me the number, we may have to do the background check, so we can all know that.
Pizza Hut.
All these information that I have, the old.
Wow, that was great.
Take notice of what's in front